Okay, check it out. F-105 Alive Restoration. This is a major project. Your support is essential. You can contribute at f105alive.com or simply scan this QR code. Pretty cool. Check it out. This is how it goes through restoration. I think they're probably just trying to get the funds necessary to restore this. It looks like it's a pretty intact airplane. Amazing. Looks like it'll do, well, get those bird nests out of there, clean it all up. Oh, it's got the Texas, must be a Texas State Guard airplane. There it is, another sign for the F-105 Alive restoration. Can't wait to see this completed. Loving the teeth. It looks like that cockpit is fully intact as well. Yeah, it looks like the Gerald Rourke Restoration Facility right there for doing their airplanes. This is the actual museum. I've not been in there yet. I think I'll have to do that another day. Looks like they're closed right now. Part of the Blue Star Memorial. It's great. The Aviation Heritage Park here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Star Memorial, a tribute to the armed forces who have defended the United States of America, sponsored by Two Creeks Garden Club in cooperation with Warren County Parks and Recreation and the Garden Club of Kentucky. Nice to see Aviation Heritage Park Veterans Wall Memorial, Wall of Honor. River Rats, Red Association River Valley Fighter Pilots. Cool. Aviation Heritage Park here in Bowling Green puts on a party, a hangar party that everybody's invited in Bowling Green in June at the Bowling Green Airport BWG.